Now, just to give you a sense of how simplified Python is, right? The major reason why the whole world is going so mad about Python is its sheer simplicity. Like if you want to print hello world in C++, you will need to do something of this sort. You will need to write all of this, and that's when you'll be able to run. That's what will enable you to print hello world in C++. If the same thing you would want to do in Java, you will need to write this code, these 4 lines of codes. Now tell me, being a common man, right? A person who's not from a programming background, even if you don't know anything, do you think that you'll be able to ever print hello world in C++ or Java without knowing how exactly to do it? But then, do you think that if I just put you in front of a Jupyter notebook and tell you that, hey, try to print this particular word for me, and if you are like to just give it a random try, do you think you'll be able to do this? Like with your intuition, a common man's logic, will you be able to figure out? So that's the whole beauty. Like in a single word, if I have to tell you, this example basically tells you how simple things are in Python and how easy it is to work with Python.